Hey, I'm Bryan Reeves, Bryan with a Y, Reeves, and I am a life coach, men's coach, and relationship coach. I work with couples and specialize in working with men. And, I hired Greenslant, digital marketing, Matthew Howe and Paul and Anthony. I hired these guys because I have been selling online programs for many years, and I'd never quite figured out, though, how to, the digital marketing, Facebook ads, that has always been just a really challenging and tricky area for me. And so I hired these guys, and I hired them right before the pandemic hit in March of 2020. So these guys, though, helped me dial in and keep my digital marketing world on point throughout one of the trickiest times of my business in all the years that I've been selling programs, writing blogs, books, etc. And these guys really helped me keep that all on point. I mean, working with them was just a pleasure. Their graphic design capabilities, their ad creation capabilities, and their capacity to understand the metrics and communicate them to me. Through their efforts, we were able to continue and really expand on bringing thousands of people to my website and to my various offers throughout the pandemic. Just keeping really a steady stream of new fans and readers and new clients coming into my business. So I really enjoyed working with Greenslant Marketing. If you're looking for a team to help you navigate the digital marketing world, social media marketing, Facebook ads and Google ads and Instagram ads, I definitely recommend working with Greenslant. Hope that's helpful. Matt. Sorry it took so long, man, to get this to you. It's been fucking crazy.